inside row, inside the following row. The 33 is Tim Finstad. Outside of Finstad in the 7 car is Melody Welding. In your final row in the number 8 of David Russell Jr. And outside of David Russell Jr. is the 44 of Tyler Atchison. As they're winding them up, here we go. Here they come, they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's the 55 car of Shannon Stoltz getting out there in a hurry. Amanda Bone in the 6, having some problems on the low side, and all the traffic going up top. 29 car of Todd Bridges in the 2nd. Watch out for that Pintos. We got all kinds of problems with the 33 of Tim Finstad.
Well, like maybe Finstad was checking up to try to avoid that as the 6 car and the 99 have made contact. But here comes Aaron Rude challenging Todd Bridges for 2nd place with Steven Erickson. That is a points battle for the number 9 and the 68, as a lot is on the line also for the 55, who is leading this race.
Yeah, it's all tight up front. 55 of Shannon Stoltz still out there. Todd Bridges in that 29 hanging in that 2nd spot. The pretty boy, Steve Erickson Jr. will now dip down low in turns 3 and 4. And that Pinto in the number 9 of Aaron Rude, along with the 99 of Destiny Ganor. Those are your top 5 runners in the American Short Trackers.
Side by side, door handle to door handle. It's Steve Erickson Jr. and Todd Bridges battling for that 2nd spot. Neither driver is going to give either way here to try to hold on and try to catch the number 55 of Stoltz. But here comes Steve Erickson Jr. on the inside of Bridges to make his move to claim 2nd. Aaron Rude will follow.
Yeah, watch out. That Pinto creeping around, trying to get around that 29 of Todd Bridges. But don't forget about the 98 of Kelly Eving. Him and Destiny Ganor in a little bit of a battle in the back. That 99 car has been dominant, or that 98 car, I should say, has been dominant here tonight. Top qualifier, dash winner, heat winner. Can he win a feature in that 98 car?
We're definitely going to find out real soon here as we are nearing the halfway point of our American Short Tracker 20-lap feature. Rude on the inside of Bridges looking to claim that 3rd spot. Here comes Evig, the guy who's got the fastest time here at the Rockford Speedway and broke the track record.
Still the 55 of Shannon Stoltz out front. The pretty boy, Steve Erickson, they're going to go door to door in the backstretch, and there goes that Pinto as he's working his way into that 3rd spot. Todd Bridges holding on to the 4th spot now, and the 98 of Kelly Evink has made his way into that top 5.
As the battle continues, Stoltz, Erickson, side by side for the lead.
And there goes a Pinto in the 9 for a 3rd.
Stoltz hanging on that time by about a half a car. Erickson looking to make his move. Stoltz says no. Erickson barely ahead now. Maybe. Stoltz is back.
Pinto in 3rd. Kelly Evink in that 98 has worked itself up to that top 4 spot. And there goes the 68 of Steve Erickson Jr. on the backstretch, and can he hold it on in the turns 3 and 4?
Stoltz tucks in right behind Erickson as Aaron Rude's looking to make a challenge here. Trying to grab the lead as he is currently points leader only by 10 points before tonight's events.
And Pinto in that 2nd spot, working that low line, working it hard as the 98 of Kelly Evink likes his track and will stick with him. Steve Erickson Jr. starting to pull away a little bit in that 68. Shannon Stoltz in the 55 slowly dropping off, but here's that Pinto in the 9 and that 98 of Kelly Evink.
We got a battle back for 6th place as well as Rubeck was looking on the inside of Destiny Janor.
So it's Erickson, Rude, and Evink. 1, 2, and 3 with Stoltz in 4th and Bridges in 5th.
Battle in the back with Atchison, Finstad, and Russell. As Atchison got a little loose there in turn 2, Finstad pulling away, and then there's Russell.
They'll go 3 wide in the turns 3 and 4.
Russell and, looks like Russell and Finstad had made contact there on that last turn in 3 and 4. That's in the back, and now with 4 laps to go in this 20-lap feature, Steven Erickson Jr. trying to grab as much space away from the number 9 of Aaron Rude as he possibly can, as we've got 3 to go this time around.
Erickson, Rude, and Evink, are they coming up on lap traffic in the number 6 car of Amanda Bone? Stoltz in that 55 and Todd Bridges are your top 5. As you said, there's a battle in the 6th spot. Steve Ruback and Destiny Ganor in the 61 and the 99. And the 33 of Tim Finstad, he will duck out with a couple to go.
So the white flag's out, 1 to go for Steve Erickson Jr., followed by Rude, followed by Evick, the top 3 points leaders. As Erickson is sitting second in the points. First place would give him a little bit closer of a zone there to the Aaron Rude car, as it looks like Steve Erickson Jr. is going to take the win, followed by Aaron Rude, followed by Kelly Evick. Fourth will go to 55 of Shannon Stoltz, followed by Todd Bridges. Steve Rubeck, Destiny Janor, Melody Welding, and it's going to be Atchison, David Russell, and the number 6 of Amanda Bone. And that is the Miller Lite American Short Tracker feature now in the books.
That is the 3rd feature win. He has 5 heats and 3 dash wins in his back pocket. Out of McChesney Park, John Cabello, State Representative, District 68. Hayes Beers Distributing Company, Yes Staffing, Erickson Automotive, prime sponsors for the 88 Ford Mustang. Let's give it up for the pretty boy in the 68 machine of Steve Erickson Jr.